I wanted to do a quick video showing you again a number of videos we've done on mobile ArcGIS Online. In this case, it's an application we've written which allows you to do editing online and offline. One thing we were interested in was attachments. We've shown examples of attaching imagery to features, but we wanted to experiment just to see audio and video. So we've got a couple of an audio and video file on this device. Let's just walk through a workflow then to add those as attachments. And we're going to go offline to do this. So let's take the actual device offline, like so. And let's load the application up again. So we're offline. What we're going to do next is actually set the device to offline mode. So what this does actually is just copies the layers to the device itself. Now we've got the option under edit to actually attach multimedia files to a feature and store those in ArcGIS Online. So there's what we're going to do is just walk through. Now what happens here is we've got the ability to attach an audio file, an image file, or a video file. So what we're going to do is we're going to select an audio file. Now there's a bunch of audio files on here. This could be something you record on the device. I'm actually just going to, just for fun, let's put a David Bowie MP3 on there. Which one am I going to choose? That one, Lady Grinning Soul. So we'll submit that. And actually, did I tap the button right? It's probably take a second actually to attach. And actually my hitting it twice doesn't help matters very much. Because it's a reasonable sized file, it'll take a minute to load. I'm just going to give me a wait. Image files are obviously a lot smaller than audio and video files, so let's just see how long this takes. Oh, I'm impatient. I think the interesting thing to note about this is, oh, there we go, we've got it attached. Now I'm going to actually try a video file here. I'm not actually sure. We've not tested this, so let's just see. So there's a video file, and we've got an attachment test right there. Let's just submit that and see what happens. So what I wanted to say about this was, one of the things we've wondered about is not is about actually recording audio based on field work. So for example, we've been working with some disaster management stuff of late, and often people go out to the field and they'll assess damage to houses or other features, and they'll often interview people on the scene to gather information about the damage to a home, for example. So you know, if it was flooding, was your basement flooded? You know, the type of questions that are useful to record regarding a particular property. Currently that's all done either with pen and paper, or just simply it's done with a recorder. It's done manually, it's not done as an attachment to a single feature. So what we thought here would be a good way to record audio and attach that to a particular feature and actually store that in ArcGIS. The other option would be to take a video. Now video is obviously big, and video is going to take up a lot of, there's a limitation I believe in ArcGIS which is about 10 megs, which is a short video, but at least a video will give you a feel for, again, if you were just looking at a damaged lot, then you'd be able to video that quickly. If you were doing tree assessment, you could video that section of the forest you were working in. Any number of different options there would be with video. Now we're testing video here. This is actually WMV, which is in a Microsoft format, and it's just a test video. It could be a video that's taken off the device itself. So we're testing that. Now I'm not sure how long this is going to take to actually finish. It looks like it has finished. So what we'll do is we'll go back online. And we're going to actually see if we can attach those to ArcGIS Online. Now this brown layer here is actually a hosted feature layer in ArcGIS Online. So let's load the map online. There we go. So it's these two features we've actually got attachments to, audio and video. let's actually apply the edits. So we've got an option in the application just to push that to the server. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Now what I'm going to actually do here is I'm going to switch over to the instance we've got on in ArcGIS Online itself. So let me just switch the camera. Actually what I'll do, excuse the jumping around here, but I'm going to just move the camera over to the desktop here. Hopefully this isn't going to give us too much flicker, but there is that web map in ArcGIS Online, and let's just click on this feature here. Actually, let's go into out of edit mode and just see what we've got. It doesn't say an attachment. Let's reload the map actually and just see if we get that. Maybe we need to. I think we may need to refresh the map just to see that feature. Okay, there we go. No attachments. Interesting. That worked before. So there's the actual attachment, the video attachment. I'm surprised we didn't get the audio attachment. We can actually open that inside of this desktop application, and there it is. So that's the video we recorded just of the actual application itself. So kind of interesting. Let's just see that one again. Oh, there we are. I don't know what happened there. We've actually got later installed twice. I think I actually did a test earlier against that feature and I didn't delete it. So if we actually now select that and let's open that. So that's interesting. So what we've just done there is we've proved the point that we can actually and there's the actual song. Oh, that's cool. So what we've done there is we've attached both a video file and an audio file to a particular feature, and we've then stored that in ArcGIS Online. So that's a pretty powerful feature that we've got there. We can actually blend the attributes of a feature with these multimedia elements from our field collection. So very cool. We'll show more videos on this over time. Thanks very much.